Jianfan New Energy Technology, Tianjin Company Limited, is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development of solid-state batteries. Relying on breakthroughs in core materials and electrochemical technology, solid-state lithium batteries have been successfully developed. The independently developed technology has achieved industry breakthroughs in high-energy density batteries and a 600-cycle life, providing safe and reliable energy solutions for high-end equipment fields such as military equipment, industrial robots, agricultural automation systems, and industrial-grade unmanned aerial vehicles. The company is based in the New Energy Industrial Cluster of Wuqing District, Tianjin, China, deeply integrates China's industrial chain resources, and has built a market network that radiates to more than 100 countries around the world. It has a good layout in emerging markets such as the Americas, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Its product and technological roots are highly consistent with the global energy storage policy planning, and it continues to lead in next-generation energy storage technologies such as solid-state batteries and sodium-ion batteries. Adhering to the concept of customer-first, innovation-driven, the company has established a joint laboratory with the Chinese Academy of Sciences, forming a collaborative innovation system of industry, university research, application. The company has passed multiple international standard certifications and is committed to becoming a global benchmark enterprise in solid-state battery technology, injecting core impetus into the transformation and upgrading of the new energy industry. We look forward to joining hands with you to jointly explore the boundless possibilities of new energy technologies. Help your business achieve efficient, secure, and sustainable development.